to the ball game, second quarter. Intertown Basketball Girls. Calbayog City versus Papajo. For the Fiesta of Santo Niño Kinapundan, Eastern Samar 2026. Kamera ng 3, wala.
Number 10. Cross number 14. Number 14 versus block by behind by number 18.
Running shot.
Number 10, third drop in the game. Number 19. Number 20.
Taas ang pasa. 3 points. Wala. Number 10. Wala pa rin.
Number 13, pass number 4. Nakatubog Calbayog.
Pa.
Step back 3. Wala pa rin. Number 30, number 2. 10 seconds shoot. Number 10 ang matake. Wala pa rin. Sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Number 4 naman.
Bang! Lucky bounce. Finally.
Church number 4.
Finally.
6 minutes and 35. Number 15. Pass number 9. Number 50 Isaac. Number 21. Number 15.
Nice shot by number 21.
Kinikilig ko Jasper mga kalawan na number 15. Number 40, number 10.
Bang! Nice pass.
Number 15 na naman.
Bang! 3 points. Last shot.
Number 15.
Baseball pass.
Another steal. Papajo, number 15 na naman.
Time out. Calbayog.
5 minutes and 35 remaining to the second quarter. Natin mag-feature run score 31-18 Integral Papajo.
Back to the ball game.
Seconds shoot.
3 points.
Jersey number 4, back up the ball. Perfect. Number 15 nakalisot. Pinasa sa ilalim. Number 18. Number 2. Pass number 9. 15 seconds shoot. 10 seconds shoot.
Sayang.
Sayang ang pasa. Hindi lang na sila. With second 5 minutes.
May kasama pang foul.
With the foul.
By Ustaya. Nice shot.
Jersey number 22.
Bonus throw by number 24 Ustaya of Calbayog City. Wala. Offensive foul by number 2 of Calbayog. Crossing foul.
Jersey number 2.
Trapping defense.
Number 9. Pass number 22. Bigyan kay number 9. Number 18. Nakalisa sa number 15. Hindi mapigilan si number 15. Hindi mapigilan si number 15. Number 10 na naman. Wala na. Number 15. Number 10. Susubok naman. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 2. Pass number 15. No, pass number 9. Still by number 10. Number 4. Number 24. Number 24. Basketball. Number 15. Number 12.
Double dribble. Back to the ball game.
Pass number 20. Number 24, the veteran. Pass number 15. 50 seconds to shoot. Number 19. Number 22. Next pass by number 19.
Libre. Score 35-25 in favor of Papadjo.
Remaining time.
3 minutes and 15 remaining time.
Number 10, pass number 4. The captain of Calvario. Number 2. Nakalusot. Ini ba number 2? Another turn over for Papadjo. Number 24. Just started by kasama pang foul.
Bonus throw, wala. Lumabas.
Number 24 tells a back. Number 24, wala pa rin. Number 10. Pasakyan.
Offensive foul. Illegal use ng elbow. 3 points. Long break. 3 points on number 4. Calvayo. Foul. Foul on number 2.
Number 22. Pass number 19. Number 19. Bennett Bet. Number 10. There's the captain number 22. Number 4, the captain ball. And 3 points. Number 4. 1 minute and 55 seconds.
Second quarter.
Time out, Papadjo.
Score. Deadlock.
Pareho na.
Deadlock. 35. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining. Second quarter. Back to the ball game. Foul. Number 4. Unang tira kay Blasa, wala. Pagod na. Second try. Wala pa rin. Ewan pa yung Ustaya.
Ay, sa number 15. Number 15. Ay, sa yan. Pag nakagaw. Number 24. Pass number 4. Number 4. Number 14. Number 28. Number. Iba-iba na kami number 2. Number 4. Wala. Walang kailangan.
Nice. Number 28.
Seconds to play. 55 seconds.
May
There's a
foul.
foul.
Basket. Unang tira. Pangalawa.
Rebound number 20, pass number 24. Number 14 to number 4. Where's the block by number 19? Number 28, wala pa rin. Rebound. Number 4, basket. Bantishete.
27 seconds. Second quarter.
Now on number 9. Number 9.
Foul na naman.
Foul.
Number 4.
Jersey.
Dalawa, pasok.
Basket yan. 21 segundos. 20. 15.
Nice pass. Sayang.
Juice.
Last 6 seconds. Bola ng Calbayog City.
6 na segundo na naman. 5.
Bang! Pasok. That's the end of second quarter.
Time for the second quarter. Official run score 39-41.
Calbayog City in favor